Hiking in Cleland Conservation Park on a windy, drizzly day. Very cool for the middle of summer. But we've made some nice little discoveries.
This hike takes in views across some of the most lush vegetation in the Mount Lofty Ranges. Moist air flows across the Gulf St Vincent and gets pushed up over the hills, so this area gets more rain than the Adelaide Plains.
This here is a prickly jibung, a plant that I personally have never met before. Tiny little flowers. The insects must love these. Most insects around here absolutely love yellow flowers.
And where there are pollinating insects, you'll find predators.
Oh, look at all the gorgeous Christmas bush flowering at the bottom of the valley. It's a lovely little creek down there. We came here at night a while ago and there were frogs all the way along. Chocolate lily. I haven't paid much attention to these. They're one of my favourite wildflowers. Some of them smell like chocolate or vanilla. That's how they get their name. I love the bracken by the side of the track here. And over there, there's another track, which is another really cool path up to Mount Lofty, up to the summit. And there's a creek there, but it's not flowing right now, which is pretty normal for South Australian creeks in summer. Just finished saying that I don't think this slope up back to the car will be as steep as I thought it was going to be. But of course we shouldn't open our mouths too soon, should we? Oh boy.
During our hike down in the gorge, low cloud was rolling across the ridge tops, so a refreshing mist greeted us back near the car. There was also a scattering of hyacinth orchids as an extra treat.